This 9x13 pan is my emergency rescue plan. It is an oven-ready unit of my household food operating system, and I built it this morning without spending a single dollar at the grocery store. I want to be completely honest with you. Right now, my freezer is empty. I have exactly 0 emergency meals on hand. And in my home, our magic number is 6. If you are drowning in daily decision fatigue and rising grocery costs, let's build our emergency layer together. In under 4 minutes, you're going to see how flexible the system holds the cognitive load for you. The first thing you need to know is that this system is so flexible, it adapts with you. You literally cannot get it wrong. If you are a beginner, the system meets you right where you are with low friction gallon bags like this Italian sausage and peppers penne bake. From there, you can scale up to vacuum sealed bags and even a vacuum chamber sealer to keep things all right. Or easily upgrade your units to oven ready 9x13 foil pans. Today we are building our Mexican beef and black bean enchilada casserole. Because my kitchen is well stocked, I used the app's pantry mode to shop my own shelves first. It instantly gave me a green light on 100% of my ingredients, meaning I didn't have to spend a dime or go to the grocery store today. And because the system is designed to flex, it easily absorbs unplanned inputs. I didn't plan for this morning's backyard garden harvest, but I didn't have to stress about how to use it. I just layer my fresh Roma tomatoes and serranos right on top of my frozen bases. They integrate perfectly without compromising the meal's texture or taste. Whether you are pulling cooked sausage for a classic baked mostaccioli or bag freezing a sausage and peppers penne bake, the Meal Builder Pro app suggests the exact container sizes for you, taking the guesswork out of the process. Now, you don't need to purchase this app to build a peaceful kitchen. You can join our membership, print our system toolkit webpage, and run this entire system beautifully on paper. But if your energy is depleted, and you want an external brain to hold the cognitive load of managing your kitchen, the app is here to rescue you. In day 22 of our devotional, we remind ourselves that preparation doesn't prevent hard seasons. It simply keeps those seasons from becoming harder. When you install structure on the days you have strength, that structure carries your home on the days your personal energy completely fades. To help you start building your own emergency layer today, I set up a completely free 7-day trial Meal Builder Pro in the app description below. Grab the trial, let it inventory what's already on your shelves, and let the system carry the weight. Click right here on your screen to join me for a quiet morning harvest devotion and see what this stewardship looks like in real time. I'll see you right over there. Reduce decisions. Install structure, and as always, steward what you have, serve where you are, and you'll always have what you need to rescue yourself. Prep with purpose.